There's something controlling. There has to be a heavy. What I'm teaching you is spiritual principles of energy. And in order for there to be a return in spiritual reward, there has to be a sacrifice phase. That's the spiritual principle of energy, the balance of opposites, the law of karma, like you said, all these principles of correspondence, all of this stuff is in operation under as many layers and many of how this is working out. The mass rotation is going opposite. This is what we talk about the Zion factor, the small mustard, because it only takes two of us vibrating at a high level. When we vibrate and we get some higher insight, what we're doing is we're opening up that energy, we're releasing it so that others can then partake of it too. So the mass rotation is going in the degenerate direction, but there's a small core. And as the architect told Neil, that small anomaly, the one who does not accept the programming and has the ability to overturn the whole system. So all we have to do is continue, I don't care how small, that is vibrating in the opposite direction. Pretty soon, as we keep opening up that energy for others to access it, they will begin to, that cycle will start to reverse, and it'll start to become the more dominant factor.